Hey there guys, today I'm back with one of my new favorite recipes. This one is very delicious and I hope you try it out. You want to start out with your onion and you want to chop it really small. So you want really fine slices or pieces of onion. And this made me tear up so much, it was not even funny. Then you want to go ahead and cut down your tomatoes, and I got 3 colors. I got these more orangey ones, then real red ones and yellow ones, so it looks a little bit more interesting instead of just using the normal red ones. And you want to cut them into small pieces. I had these very small ones, so I decided to cut them in half and then cut that in half as well, so it wouldn't be too big. Then you want to put that in a pan. You want to add the brown sugar as well as your vinegar, and then you want to add something spicy. I used harissa, so whatever you have. If you use chili, it's pretty much all the same, just different names. And then you want to let that sit for 30 to 40 minutes on low to medium heat, so it gets a little bit I don't know how to say it, but you can see in the pictures. So delicious. I never thought I'd like this, but I really do. So please try it, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.